the living world. This is for class 11. In my last video I have discussed about the living character, that is growth. Now let's discuss some other characters of living organisms. Okay, so let's go. Next character is reproduction. Reproduction is the production of offspring, and there are two kinds of reproduction. Okay, here you can see this. Sorry. One is sexual reproduction and another is asexual reproduction. So two kinds of reproduction are there. Reproduction. One is sexual and another is asexual. Sexual reproduction needs mate. That means two parents are involved and form the zygote, and from the zygote new full individual are formed. And asexual reproduction does not need any partner. A single parent will divide different modes their body and form the offspring. So, and reproduction is important for continuation of generation, okay, from one generation to next generation. There are many organisms which do not reproduce. I told that reproduction is one character of living organisms, but beside there are some living organisms which do not reproduce, such as moles. Okay, yeah, sterile worker bee, who are females, and infertile human couples, they are incapable of reproduction. Okay, hence reproduction cannot be an inclusive defining characteristics of living organism. So reproduction is also not an inclusive character of living organism like growth, because the reproduction is absent in some of the living organisms. Yeah. Now next character is metabolism. The sum total of all the chemical reaction occurring in our body is metabolism. The metabolism involves catabolism and anabolism. Okay, catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism and anabolism, they combinedly form reproduction, and the sum total of chemical reactions occurring in our body is called metabolism. All plants, animals, fungi, microbes exhibit metabolism because it draws energy, and this energy is utilized for different physiological activities. No living objects exhibits metabolism. Metabolic reaction can here this should be every living objects exhibit number of, here we can say, 1 minute, living objects exhibit metabolism. Metabolic reaction can be demonstrated outside of the body in a cell-free system. One can carry out the metabolic reaction outside the body of the living organism, such as an isolated metabolic reaction outside the body of an organism performed in a test tube is neither living or nor non-living. Hence, metabolism is a defining feature of all living characters. Except growth and reproduction, they are indefining characters, while metabolism is the defining characters of all living organisms, because only the reaction can be carried out in test tube or in a cell-free system, but inside the cell the metabolism occurs to liberate energy. That's why it only happens in the living organism, and this is the reason metabolism is the defining feature. Yeah, metabolism is the defining feature of all living organisms. I hope it is clear. Thank you. Bye.